Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you the new Prime Now grocery shopping that I did today for the first time. And this is my little grandson James, baby James. We're hanging out tonight. So I will show you everything that I got and give you some ideas of what I eat as a vegan. Do you want your baba? Hang on, he has to eat his baba. You want your baba? Are you thirsty? No? Okay, we'll leave that here. So I got all of this. This is really strange because I've never heard of this before, but it's 100% recycled paper towels, and recycled toilet paper. I know it's really strange. If you guys know anything about this, let me know. What do you think, James? Recycled toilet paper? Does that sound okay? Does that sound okay? All right, what else did we get? I didn't even start unpacking yet. So I got my unsweetened vanilla almond breeze. And another thing about shopping at Whole Foods, I really thought it was going to be ridiculously expensive, but it wasn't. I actually saved more than I have been shopping at Stop and Shop. And I was just talking to my son and my daughter-in-law when they dropped him off, and I really think maybe I'm overspending when I'm walking through the aisles of the actual grocery store. Even if I go with a list, I always end up getting extra stuff, and my bill has just been ridiculous. Plus, carrying all of this stuff is just ridiculous. If you think about it, you have to drive to the store, walk through the whole entire store, pick out all of your food, get in line, wait there, unload your cart, then all your bags go into the cart, then you unload from the cart into your car, then you drive all the way home, then you unload your car, then you put everything away. I am so happy my friend told me about this new app. I will link it down below for you guys. So I got 2 of those. Oh, and I got these spring roll wrappers, Blue Dragon spring roll wrappers. So I am going to try to make my wraps in there. And what I've been doing is pickles, tomatoes, and black olives and putting them in a wrap. And I have that every single day. That is one of my new foods that I've been eating all the time. Bananas, lots of bananas. I eat like 2 bananas a day. In the morning, I put 1 in my smoothie. And this is, I actually didn't even finish it. This is, this is actually still from this morning, my smoothie. This is the unsweetened almond breeze, and I put like that much of the almond breeze. Then I put frozen blueberries, a banana, and my protein powder, and I'll show you that. This is my rice protein powder, and obviously everything I'm showing you guys is vegan because I'm a vegan. So this rice protein I get on Amazon, so I'll link it below exactly where I purchase it from. I got these multi-grain pita chips to dip in the hummus that I got. And this is basmati organic rice. The last video that I did, the last food video that I did, you guys were like, why are you eating that boiling bag success rice? So thank you for giving me the motivation to get healthy rice now. And I bought a rice cooker. See if I can reach it. Oh, help me. You gotta help me. That was a good burp. That was a good one. Here is my rice cooker. I bought this on Amazon. I absolutely love it. I will link it below for you guys. And all you do is, I do about 2.5 of the little cups that it comes with, and rinse it out, like put it in a strainer and rinse the rice out. You dump the rice right in there. You fill it up to the line with water, put it back in there, put the top on, plug it in. It's got a little switch right here, and all you do is flip that switch and it automatically cooks it for you. When the switch pops up, boom, you're done. You have perfect rice. So what I do with the rice is I take avocado, sometimes a whole avocado, usually a half though. So avocado, tomato, and sometimes that's just it. Oh, and Celtic sea salt. And if I'm feeling more hungry, I'll put peanuts in there sometimes. And yes, here are the peanuts. These are roasted unsalted peanuts, and this is the Whole Foods generic brand. It's $3.65, so I got that whole bag. And oh, you like the chips, huh? And I got organic honey. This is the only non-vegan thing that I eat is honey, and thanks to you guys, I am now eating organic honey. What else? Tomatoes. A bag of tomatoes. Oh my goodness. And avocados. A little trick about avocados, I don't know if you guys know, but I leave them out until they start to get just soft enough, and I put them right in the fridge so they don't start getting more. Your teeth hurt? So I let them sit out until they get just soft enough, and then I'll put them in the fridge so they don't over ripen too much. Is that good? We're taking a milk break, huh? We're taking a milk break. What else we got here? Is that good? You want more? And I got blueberry lemonade, 100% natural, calorie-free seltzer, which I've been loving. And I mix this with a little bit of vitamin water, which is not in there. Oh, is that yummy? Is that yummy? Yeah, is that yummy? We're gonna take a little milky break. Is that yummy? Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you going poopies? Are you going poopies? You all done? I think he's all done. What else do we got? And this time I got fresh pineapple already chopped up. I love to have that in the morning with my shake. I don't put it in my shake, I actually just eat it like that. And I'm trying these new yogurts. These are Kite Hill vegan yogurts. These are almond, soy, and dairy free. So I'm trying a couple of different kinds of the Kite Hill vegan yogurt, and this is black cherry and key lime. What else we got in here? I got a bunch of those. And I got this organic original recipe Hope hummus, and that's what I use those multi-grain chips to dip in the hummus. More yogurt. Oh, this one's blueberry. And I got a vitamin water. I usually get the vitamin water zero. Hi! I know it's not the healthiest, but what I do actually is I save these containers. So I break this down into thirds, a third, a third, a third, into 3 of these, and I fill the rest up with my natural seltzer water. So it's got like a little bit of bubbles and it tastes really good, and I'm not drinking too much of the vitamin water. So this is not the vitamin water zero, but that's okay. It's still good. What else? And I got pitted black olives that I put in my wraps. It's so strange because I really never liked olives at all until my granddaughter started loving them, and I bought some for her, and one night I was just hungry, so I broke out the olives, and I'm like, I do like olives now. Mimi does like olives. Do you like olives? Huh? Do you like olives? And I got the 365 generic brand marinara pasta sauce with no sugar added. And I use this, I use the gluten-free white rice, brown rice, corn and quinoa gluten-free pasta. I do not have a problem with gluten, but a lot of times if you look for gluten-free, you will find vegan products. So that is what I eat with the pasta. Not very often, but sometimes I get in the mood for that. What else does Mimi have? I got Band-Aids, latex-free Band-Aids. You want to play with that? What's that? That makes a good noise. And tissues, the 365 brand, generic brand. You want to play with that? Can build blocks. And, oh, this mouthwash I wanted to try. It is the Natural Dentist Healthy Gums with 20% aloe vera. So I'm going to try this out. I usually do the Listerine and it burns my mouth so bad, so I'm going to try this. And I got these big giant things of water, and it's so nice that the guy just came here and delivered them, so I didn't have to carry these because I could never buy the big giant ones of water before. This is just spring water, regular spring water. Because of my thyroid issue, I don't drink tap water because of the minerals in the water. There is a chance that it could like have a reaction with your medication, so I always drink bottled or spring water. Is that everything? Oh, this is all just seltzer. All my seltzer in there. And this is the tea that I drink. This is lemon ginger herbal tea with probiotics. And I drink this constantly. I use my Teamy Tea tumbler. I'm drinking tea like nonstop this winter. And then I just put some of the organic honey in there. So that's it. I totally recommend Prime Now. I'm not getting paid for this. This is the first time that I ever tried it. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm doing now for my food and my shopping and all of that. I really have a very simple diet because I have a lot of dietary restrictions. So this is pretty much what I eat. You're looking at it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave any comments below, and I will get back to everyone that I can. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.